Okay, so the next here, the test 8.4B, this will be in your exercise 8.4, these questions, okay? These are the proving the identities by using the 17 identities we did in the last class, right? So we have to thoroughly know those identities, and then this shouldn't be hard. Let's start with question number 5. Subheading 1 then. Let me read the question once, okay? Prove the following identities where the angles involved are acute angles for which the expressions are defined, okay? So we have to prove that left hand side and the right hand side expressions are equal by using the identities that we have done in the last class, the trigonometric identities that we have done. Number 1, so their left hand side is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So let us take out the left hand side, and the left hand side is cosec theta minus cot theta, the whole thing square, okay? Now we have to keep the right hand side in mind as we do this, because we're trying to make and match the two, whether they're same or not, okay? 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, so cos theta is there. So if we do this, I think we will go closer. We know the identity, cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. Cot theta in the last class, one identity was there, cos theta by sin theta. We did that because we saw this one on the right side, right? 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So now here, long line and the square, just put it. LCM of 2 and 2 we know is 2. Similarly, LCM of sin theta and sin theta is sin theta, right? And sin theta, the denominator, first one. Sin theta into 1 is sin theta, so 1 ones are 1. It will multiply the numerator, right? Similarly into 1, so 1 into cos theta, and the long line has come because we have taken LCM. So on the right side is 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. We're trying to match this one up. So there. Already we got this, so let us not touch it anymore. See here, 1 minus cos theta, okay? The whole thing square, we can just write 1 minus cos theta, the whole thing square, divided by sine. This power bracket means it belongs to numerator and denominator, so this will be sine square theta, right? Power 2 will belong to both, so we separated, okay? Now we don't touch this 1 minus cos theta because we need that, already got. Square is there still anyway. And one formula we learned last time, sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Let's put this one now, 1 minus cos square theta, because the formula for sine square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. So here we put that. Now we know that 1 over, if we have a number 1, we can put any power we like. See, 1 means 1 to the power 2 also 1, 1 to the power 3 also 1, 1 to the power 100 also up to us, right? It's 1. So we put there 2. Why? Because we want to match up this formula, 1 by cos theta, this one don't touch, whole square by, match with that formula here. See, very common formula is there, a square minus b square, which is a plus b into a minus b, a common formula in our mathematics, right? So a square minus b square, we can now change it to a plus b into a minus b. That way here, 1 minus cos theta to the power 1 is here cancelled, 2 minus 1 power, so only 1 power left. Now we are left with, on the numerator, 1 minus cos theta, and denominator also 1 plus cos theta. Now go and check your right hand side in your textbook. The right hand side is exactly this one. So we solve the left hand side and got it equal to this, which is exactly equal to the right hand side. So we have proved that the two sides are equal, right? That's the first answer. So in this question we are trying to prove that left hand side expression is equal to right hand side. So we have done that, okay? So next 2. Let's go to the second one, number 2. Let's see what is that. Cos A by 1 plus sine A plus 1 plus sine A by cos A equal to 2 sec A. So normally if you take the one which looks more complicated, it becomes easier, okay? So the left hand side looks more complicated. So let us take out the left hand side. Is equal to, read out. Yes, cos A by 1 plus sine A plus 1 plus sine A 1 plus sine A by, I think down here is cos A. And let us see what is on the right hand side, because we have to keep track of that, right? 2 sec A. So we want to try to change this to 2 sec A. So let us find out the LCM of these two. 1 plus sine A into cos A, LCM will be cos A into 1 plus sine A. Just these two multiplied is the LCM, right? Now in the denominator, this is there already. So into what is this? 1 plus sine A into cos A is this one. So cos A into cos A, cos square A plus, this is already there here, see. So the missing one is this one. So we'll multiply this to this one. 1 plus sine A into 1 plus sine A is 1 plus sine A, whole thing, square. Right, 1 plus sine A into 1 plus sine A, 2 times means square, right? Now we can apply this formula. As we said, 2 sec A is what we want to get on the right side. So here, just keep this one for time being, cos square A plus, let's apply this formula, A plus B whole square formula, matching this one. We know is A square plus B square plus 2AB. So let us do that. A square plus B square, this is B, A, plus 2 into A is 1 and B is sine A. We are applying this formula, divided by, let's just keep it for the time being without touching the cos A into 1 plus sine A, same. Okay, so I hope you're getting it. Next here, let us do this one. Let's bring these two together. Cos square A plus sine square A, you bring it together. Then 1 here plus, so put it plus. And 1 square is 1 plus 2 1 into sine A, 2 sine A. We're just clubbing these two together because we know this formula. We can apply a formula there, that's why we're doing it. So this is cos A, cos A. The cos A into 1 plus sine A. Okay. Now in our previous class we learned this identity. Cos square A plus sine square A, or sine square A plus cos square A, is always 1. Up to here 1, therefore plus here 1 plus 2 sine A divided by cos A into 1 plus sine A, the same thing we're writing. Okay. Now 1 plus 1 we know is 2, so let us write that one down. So that will be equal to, long line, 2 plus here 2 sine A. Down here is cos A into 1 plus sine A. So cos A into 1 plus sine A, same thing we wrote. Now here in the numerator, the common factor is in both of these two terms, 2 is there, so let us take it out of the bracket. And 2, how much is 2? That's right, 2 ones are 2 plus 2 is outside, so inside will be sine A, right? Down here, don't touch anything, just keep it same, cos A into 1 plus sine A. That way here into, so these two factors will cancel, become 1, right? If you cancel same thing by same thing is 1, so this is 1. We don't need to write. So 2 by, we have a formula, cos A is 1 by sec A. We did that because we are aware that right hand side is 2 sec A. So we're trying to change everything into sec. So the formula is 2 into, long line means divided by, change to multiplication. Then down will go up and up will come down. 2 into sec A is 2 sec A, which is exactly equal to your right hand side. Okay, once we're done with that, 2, then 2 more sums to go, 3. Three is, I think left hand side looks more complicated, so let's just take out the left hand side. is equal to 10 theta by 1 minus cot theta. So 10 theta by 1 minus cot theta, not cos, okay, cot theta, and plus cot theta divided by 1 minus 10 theta. Let's do slowly. By thinking, you will surely get it. It's not difficult at all, okay? Now, let us do the next step. Well, let us just first change everything into sine and cos. That's usually easier. Right hand side, we have to get 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. Keep that in mind. I'll be aware of it. So longer line first, and then here, sine 10 theta, we know one formula is there, sine theta by cos theta. So one way of doing it is this one, and cot theta is cos theta by sine theta, this portion. Similarly, plus long line. So equal and the long line should be on the same line, okay? Then cot is cos theta by sine theta. 1 minus 10 theta is sine theta by cos theta, okay? Then here, slowly we'll let us solve it. So sine long line first, then sine theta by cos theta. Let's just keep it like that. Then multiply this to this. Sine theta into 1 is sine theta minus this one will be same, slightly longer, and since you have multiplied up here, a long line will come. But this long line should be shorter than the main long line, okay? Divided by LCM is sine theta. Here plus should be here, then long line again. Then this part we just write as it is, cos theta by sine theta. Then this part, like we did here, so cos theta into 1 is cos theta minus, this one will be same, sine theta. Long line but shorter than this one, divided by cos theta. We have to be very clear where the long line is, otherwise confusion will come in, okay? So next, this part we just write as it is, sine theta by cos theta, this one. Then this long line means divided by. So if we change into multiplication sign, down will go up, sine theta, down go up. And numerator up here, sine theta minus cos theta will come down. Okay. Similarly here, let us do plus here. This one let us just write it, cos theta by sine theta, same thing. Then here you see into means this long line divided by change to multiplication means down in denominator cos theta will go up, and numerator cos theta minus sine theta will come down. So that way we have here simple case of here sine theta into sine theta is sine square theta divided by, right, here cos theta into this we can just write in another form, in bracket form, into this part sine theta minus cos theta, like this, close the bracket. Finish this part, now go here, plus cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta by, here we can write sine theta into, this one can be put in bracket. We have to put in bracket because they are separate parts, you know. So that's what we do. Then here, let us do something here. This is sine theta minus cos theta, but this is reverse. Cos is coming first, here sine first, here sine second. You can bring it this to match this one, I think. Let us try that. That way we'll get something out of that. So here, next will be, here, see, this part is okay, just keep it for some time. Sine square theta by cos theta into sine theta minus cos theta. This is okay, just keep for some time. Now let us deal with the next part here, see. Cos square theta. So the long line first. Cos square theta, just write the same, and here. Let us bring this minus out. Then let me write here. Minus sine theta. I brought the minus out, so I have to reverse the order now. Minus into, this is minus, so minus into plus is minus sine theta. Minus into plus, still minus, see? we have to maintain the same sign. Now this is plus inside, so we have to make it plus even now also. So minus into minus is plus. So if you bring out the, let us write once more here, sine square theta by cos theta into sine theta minus cos theta plus here cos square theta by minus sine theta we brought out into sine theta minus. So minus into minus is plus. This is this one. Cos theta is still the same thing. So we can just, okay, let me just remove this part. Okay, so this one. Let me repeat here. Minus into plus is minus sine theta. Still see same. Minus into minus is plus cos theta. Why did we do that? So that this will exactly look the same as this. Then we can take out as common factor, right? So here now, we can do now, this minus can be brought up. So we can write here, sine square theta by, it's not hard, okay? It's a little bit long, that's all. Sine cos theta into sine theta minus cos theta. Then plus here, then this minus can come up. If it's in the denominator, we can immediately bring it up to the numerator. Then no more minus down, it has been brought up. Sine theta into sine theta minus cos theta, okay? So that is what we get. Now, next step, we can just write down here sine square theta by cos theta into sine theta minus cos theta, same thing. Plus into minus is minus cos square theta by sine theta into sine theta minus cos theta, okay? Now let us take the LCM and do. Next step, long line like this. Then let us do part so that it will be easier for us. Look here. Cos theta sin theta LCM will be cos theta into sin theta. So this two part LCM is done. Now this one, sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, LCM of 4 and 4. How much? Yes, that's right, 4. Similarly, sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta, LCM will be same one, na? Sin theta minus cos theta. So this is the LCM of these two in the denominator. Now what is missing here? Cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta. So cos theta, this is all there. This is the missing one. So multiply this to the numerator. Sin theta into sin square theta will be sin cube theta minus sin theta is there and this is there. So this is exactly there. Which is missing is this cos. So cos theta into cos square theta will be cos cube theta power 2 plus 1. No? So we got the formula. We can now use the formula a cube minus b cube. That's why we are doing that. Okay, so next here, let us go and do that. Okay, so here, let's write down equal to, there's formula 1 formula here, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. We will apply this formula. Okay, so here now, let us apply that on the numerator. A cube minus b cube is, a is this one sin theta, a minus b is cos theta, just like this, a minus b, into a square. So a square is this, a is sin theta, so sin square theta will be a square plus a into b. So a is here sin theta into b is this, so cos theta, so a into b, this is done, plus b square. So let's go and do that. Plus b is this one, so b square will be cos square theta, b is cos theta. So a cube minus b cube has been changed to a minus b into a square plus a into b plus b square by using this formula. So this is the reason we give. And down here we just keep it same, cos theta into sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta, and let us multiply it here. See, bracket means multiply, close the bracket. That way this sine theta minus cos theta will cancel. Right? So once we are done with that, next step, this is the reason you give behind this, okay? And the next step is here. Now these two you can bring it together. Sine square theta plus cos square theta. If you bring this together, then what is not ticked, let us write slowly by the side of it. So here, this 2 is done, this is the one. So plus, this one just keep it aside, sine theta into cos theta. So let us just do that, sine theta into cos theta, and divided by, so this portion, this 2 here, and this one here, by this one will be same, cos theta, okay, only this one left, so cos theta into sin theta. Let's do that. The next here, formula we know, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So plus here, sin theta into this one 1 and this one here, divided by cos theta into sin theta. Now at this moment, let us try to remember what is there on the right hand side. I think it's going to come out. The right hand side is 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. How do you get it? I think we're going to get if we do this. So here, suppose you have here 2 plus 3 divided by 5. We know now long line, then we can break up into short lines like this, 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5. Simplification. We know this from our lower classes. So like that is this. This is 2, 3 and 5 kind of thing. So 1 by denominator cos theta into sin theta. So we're going to separate plus this part sin theta into cos theta by here cos theta into sin theta, just like we broke up 2 by 5, 3 by 5. So 1 by this, this by this. So that way we can cancel this, this. So only 1 is left. Go up to your right hand side again, and this 1 is appearing first. 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. So let us bring this 1 here first. Then here. No sign here means plus, so just put there. And I write here 1 by cos theta into 1 is here means 1000 of time also I can write like this. So 1 more I put there by sin theta. So this is still the same. 1 ones are 1 cos theta sin theta. We did this because the right hand side is looking like this. So that will be equal to 1 plus 1 by cos theta formula we know is sec theta into 1 by sin theta is, we know, reciprocal formula cosec theta. So we got there 1 plus sec theta plus cosec theta, which is exactly equal to your right hand side. So proved. Okay. So having done that, one more question left. So let us do that. Number 4. So number 4 is, I think it's easier to take out still the left hand side. So let us take out the left hand. I think in this case we can take both sides. That will be easier. 1 plus sec A divided by sec A. Okay, let us do this. Change everything into its reciprocal and see. So here, let us write here 1 plus 1 by cos A. Because we know sec A is 1 by cos A. And sec A likewise is 1 by sec A. Then let us, 1 by sec A is 1 by cos A. Let us change everything to cos. I think that way we're going to get it easily. So next here, long line, then cos A ones are cos A plus 1. Since you multiplied, longer line, but that should be shorter than this, divided by LCM cos A 1 by cos A. Okay. Then here, that will be equal to, this part let us write it down, cos A plus 1 by cos A into means this down will go up and 1 will come down. So this cos A and cos A cancel means cos A plus 1 or 1 plus cos A is the same thing. 1 plus cos A only left. So just keep it like that. And let's take out the right hand side because it seems to be easier to take both of them out now. Right hand side is sin square A by 1 minus cos square A. 1 minus cos A, I think, sorry. Yes, so let us change this to the formula very familiar. Sin square A is 1 minus cos square A. We know that. This one we just write as it is. Okay. we need to get this, that also equal to 1 plus cos A. How do we get? Just put your square so it matches the formula. A square minus B square is A plus B into A minus B. We put the square, so we have the formula A square minus B square form to change to this form by 1 minus cos A. Immediately we see these two cancel, is we are getting 1 plus cos A. So right hand side is 1 plus cos A. Left hand side already 1 plus cos A. So finally we'll write down, we can find out that left hand side and right hand side are actually equal, same expression. So that concludes this portion. The test will be same question, okay?